NSPanel Pro supports smart temperature control. Add an external temperature source and choose execution devices to keep your room at a comfortable temperature. Is it too hot when you get home? Want to cool off from the hot day right away? Just set the thermostat to 25 degrees. In manual mode, you can adjust the desired temperature on the panel at any time. In auto mode, you can set the effective time and temperature. NSPanel Pro will control the execution device on off automatically. Create a comfortable life for your family.